Welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me Sony Alpha, and I'm gonna show you how in video mode, in movie mode, change record settings, so record size. So record settings, so to find it, of course, you need to open the second block of your menu. Then first page is record settings. So in record settings, so this controls the frame rate and bitrate for video recording. So higher bitrates generally mean better video quality, but larger file size. So .50p to 50m, it records at 50 frames per second with a bitrate of 50 Mbps. In the super 35mm crop mode. Cool. 50p to 25m, so records at 50 fps with a bitrate of 25 Mbps in super 35 crop mode. And you can select the same. You can choose the same rule. So this is the first one is about frame rate, second one it's about Mbps. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.